Aloha. How are you guys doing? This is Mai, and right now we are in the grocery store. Hi friend.
Hello.
How are you?
Good evening.
Good
I'm
evening.
good.
This is my friend right here. Hello. So we're buying something for the mechanic. The mechanic, he's gonna come in our house to fix my car. For now, bye. Hi guys, it's me again. Hi. This is my mom right here. So we're doing some shopping right here. And there. My mom carried the drinks because it wouldn't fit and it's heavy in the basket now. So she's looking for kind of corn. Okay, we go on that side. Alright guys, we're looking for can of corn. My mom, she's gonna make some dessert. I forgot that dessert. I forgot what is the name of that dessert. Which one, mom? What corn? She's looking for corn, guys. It's not creamy. Probably this one. This one, I?
Yes.
How many? How many?
Enough. One can.
Alright guys, I think we're ready to check out now. Okay, bye for now. Hi guys, how are you? This is me, Mai. Today is Sunday and I'm just gonna update you guys about what I did last week. So I did some planting or gardening, and I put the seeds in a pot. And same as usual again, I have my eye bags and I woke up like this. So I'm just gonna show you how it's look like, okay? Alright guys, I'm just gonna show you it's been 1 week now since I did the planting, yeah, or gardening from last week. So this is how it's look like after 1 week. There, they're growing. And I'm gonna show you the other pots right there. That's Oregon peas, I think, if I'm not mistaken. They're growing now. There, and this other pot, I forgot what is this. This one also, this is onions. If you see them right there, they're growing. And then that too, I forgot what I plant on that, and that, and this, there you go. And then that, there you go. Okay, so I'll show you also this side right here. This is space from our backyard. This side, I have to clean that, and I have to plant some more, and I have to think what kind of seeds I'm gonna plant. I'm not gonna put them in the pot this time, I guess. I don't know. But let's see now. I have to go back in the front yard. The mechanic came to fix my car. Right guys, so I checked my car. The mechanic came here and he opened this one. I'm not really good when it comes to cars, so he opened that thing. My car is really broken. Wouldn't park, wouldn't reverse, wouldn't start. There you go. He gonna come back here. He's gonna go to Napa and get some parts, and I'm hoping that he can buy or he can find the parts that he needed to fix my car. It's me again. My Kuya Mechanic is not back yet. I think he's eating his lunch, and he come back after. And I'm just gonna update you about my car soon or later on. But for now, thank you for watching and have a nice day.